You rock HOH.
You rock HOH.
You rock HOH.
You rock HOH.
So last week we had our staff appreciation week. It was amazing. I was really surprised last Friday to see all those departments. Everyone created something really beautiful. And it was really an honor for me to join every department to see what they created, something even with faces of me and rocking behind a drum or something. So thank you. Thank you for being there for our patients, yourself, your department, for our hospital, and to let everyone feel really happy together. So it's all about one team, about happy employees, satisfied customers, and I think we created something really beautiful. I never seen something like that before in the Netherlands. The week was created with a lot of happy things. We had a great come together on Wednesday evening, and we rocked all together.
Expressar dingen siman importante aqui. Siman que nós está dando danke, que nós está dando apreço na cada de você trabalho que você assim. Alright, você enjoy essa noite sanamente, desfrutar de dia. Siman que não acaba ainda. Rock on, com banda lá.
So on Monday we had this little lunch, and on Friday we concluded with this team where every department created something really nice about the team rock. So I'm really proud to be the director of this great team, and I really thank you all for participating, and I also thank from the bottom of my heart the team who organized everything. So you did a great job, and I'm really looking forward to next year. Because I know for sure you will try to improve it. So let's continue, because life and also work is now coming back in normal way. So keep on rocking and continue with your great job.
You rock HOH.
No sempre tem